Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the video. Little bit late start for me this season, but I finally got Wratchet put back together. So first thing I'm gonna do for this season is I just arrived at Ram Off-Road Park. I'm hopefully meeting a couple other people here and we'll just take him out and kind of sink our teeth back into driving him and see how some of the changes that I made work out. All right, so I just did a little shakedown. So far, everything seems fine, but I want to go over a couple of things that I changed from last year. The first one being, I added this dead pedal to the throttle pedal. If you guys watched some of my videos last year, I had all sorts of trouble with anytime I was going over any bumps, my foot, because it just pivoted off the floor here. Any bumps would transfer into the throttle and it would, it would borderline make it undrivable. So now I've got this huge dead foot pedal that I put my foot on. I can put pressure on it, and then all I have to do is pivot my foot on here to hit the throttle. So far, just on that little drive, that was very helpful. Another thing I did is, for today, I don't have the sway bar. I want to see how it feels without having the sway bar, because I was curious last year if the sway bar was a little bit too solid. So far, I don't think I notice that it's not there yet. I'll have to pay attention to that throughout the day. Rear suspension, of course, a lot of changes here. Last year I had the bump stop and the different upper link here that the bump stop would come in contact with. This year I'm trying to do away with the bump stop, and I've made some changes to the bypass shock absorber. And then to try and help tune that in, I've got zip ties on here so that I can kind of monitor how much the suspension is traveling to decide if I think I need to go more valving in here or not. Then I've made valving changes to the front shocks. They're valved much tighter than they were last year. And then I've done the same thing here. I've got zip ties on the bump stops so that I can, you know, as the day's going on, I can kind of look at it and see how much the bump stop's coming into action depending on the terrain. And then I'm just doing a little walkthrough, making sure that I'm not leaking any fluids or anything like that. I'm pretty sure I've made some other changes, but I can't remember what they are right now. Today I'm running 28 PSI in the rear, 18 PSI in the front. Guys, give me any feedback, what you think of that. If I had to say anything, I would say the 28 is maybe too much, but I'm not sure. These are not beadlock wheels, so I'm careful how low I go because I don't want to pop them off the rim, but I'll be experimenting with that a little bit today. I'm gonna go back out on the track here pretty soon, but the Rad Factory has shown up. That's Dylan and Gavin over there doing the manual labor. They're gonna unload here, and hopefully we're going to be able to run around together, hit some jumps. I don't know what we're gonna do really, but it's nice to be out here with somebody. So we'll get these guys going and then see what kind of video we can grab.
Doug. Nice. Yeah, we did it! Yes. Heck yeah, Doug. Dude. God. Yo! That was so Gosh, it's so good, dude. Yeah. Like, what?
Oh my gosh, I just did a run out there, running with Dylan, which was a ton of fun, kind of keeping track. So we were staying at separate ends of the track. Mahler was running really well, having a little issue with, there's one jump, when you come down, it's really, really deep, and as I'm hitting the brakes, The engine dies every other time. I'm not sure why that's happening. But all in all, man, that was a great outing. Let's see, we got my setup here. We got Dylan and the Rad Factory, and he's got another guy here helping him film. Whew, I was getting beat up. I couldn't be out there much longer.
Yeah. Yeah. And then you got a really good speed going. Right. I love this motor,
So our day is over.
Oh yeah, so I saw the jet.
And Dylan did have a little bit of a mishap here. He what did you ran into a
I hit the dirt wall.
Hit the dirt wall.
After hitting hundreds of jumps.
Yeah.
The wall is what got me.
We jumped. We did so much track time today. And then I guess I wasn't out there when he did this, but something went wrong and it pulled him off the track a little bit and he hit a dirt berm or something.
If you go real low, you can look at this control arm. And that is our #1 problem. All of that.
Okay. Oh yeah. Well, it's hard to see. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Whoa.
All right. Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
Well, it really just kind of peeled itself off.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I wonder
That's why I'm like, I don't know how much of that control arm.
That might have damaged the
usable.
spindle too. Yeah, I see what you're saying now.
Because it's not like it's sheared. It like just twisted it.
And you can't tell if it did any damage to the subframe.
I mean, just looking at it,
Yeah.
this bend is more aggressive, for sure.
Okay.
And then yeah, it just fully twisted that guy. The tire is.
Yeah, I can see it's way.
It used to not be here.
Yeah, it's way further back. And then this, you hit this, right?
Yeah.
That wasn't there before.
Yeah. No, that
So,
was a beautiful fender.
Not great, not terrible. Nobody got hurt. It sucks because there's more stuff that they wanted to do, but honestly, we were having so much fun out on that track. We just kept going out. We just kept going out.
Yeah, I couldn't get off the track. I was unlocking new jumps, and it was my favorite thing ever.
So that's it for our day. We're gonna wrap it up. We've been hanging out a lot, talking to other people, having a good time, but at this point we'll wrap it up and head home.